How to backup phone contacts to Gmail. Hey guys, this is Nina from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started with the process. Open up your contact application. Here tap on this 3-bar icon in the middle section. You will see Manage Contacts option. Tap that. Tap on Export Contacts. And again tap to Internal Storage. Tap Export. Now the file has been downloaded to your internal storage. Now again, let's open our Google account. Open any web browser. Once you have opened your web browser, go to your Google account. Then you will see this icon beside your initial. Tap that. Scroll below and then you will see Contacts option here. Tap that again. Now let's hit the option that says Import Contacts. Tap on Select File. And now here you can see Contacts option. This is the same file to where I have saved my contacts. Tap on Import. And just like so, you will be able to see all your contacts. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.